Could Australia's emus be part of an extraordinary conspiracy? In the 1930s, during an agricultural crisis, the government declared war on emus, but the flightless birds seemed eerily resilient. Strange theories emerged. Were emus naturally evolving to combat humans, or were they subject to secret experiments by cloaked organizations? Some locals reported witnessing uncanny coordination and intelligence among these birds, fueling rumors of hidden genetic modifications. Evidence remains speculative, yet the Great Emu War continues to puzzle even the most skeptical minds. Could these extraordinary survivors hint at humanity's hidden threads, tied deeply to nature's enigmatic forces?